Hello everybody, we are looking at a surrealist inspired object drawing today. Salvador Dali is the man we've just looked at. He is a very famous surrealist artist. You can see one of his drawings here and one of his paintings here. So he takes everyday objects like clocks or animals and twists them and changes them into something very surreal, which means something almost dreamlike, something totally different to how you might see in everyday life. I am going to get us to do an everyday object, so I've chosen a jug, as you can see. Draw it out nicely and carefully, and then start adapting it. Think how it could become surreal. So it's not about choosing a strange object, it's about choosing a very, very normal object, a very everyday object, and changing it in such a way that it seems like it might have come out of a dream instead of reality. The other important thing is that we are going to be adding shading very carefully, thinking about where the light is and where the dark is, because our object should be three-dimensional. And we want to make our additions as three-dimensional and realistic looking as well, because that's what makes it look most effective. As you can see, the strange twists and turns I've added to my handle that eventually come back to being small waves coming out of the spout, I'm adding shading to as well. So I'm trying to make them look as three-dimensional and realistic as possible, which really adds itself to the dreamlike tone of the overall drawing. Bear in mind, dark on one side and light on the other. Try and carry that through your drawing in such a way that it is continuous. Have fun with it, make sure it's an everyday object you start with, and see just how strange you can make it.